Spoiled.
Spoiled.
The milk is spoiled.
The milk is spoiled.
Rotten.
Rotten.
The apple is rotten.
The apple is rotten.
Moldy.
Moldy.
The bread is moldy.
The bread is moldy.
Stale.
Stale.
The chips are stale.
The chips are stale.
Sour.
Sour.
The yogurt tastes sour.
The yogurt tastes sour.
Rancid.
Rancid.
The butter smells rancid.
The butter smells rancid.
Expired.
Expired.
This cheese is expired.
This cheese is expired.
Smelly.
Smelly.
The fish is smelly.
The fish is smelly.
Slimy.
Slimy.
The meat feels slimy.
The meat feels slimy.
Bad.
Bad.
The food has gone bad.
The food has gone bad.
Old.
Old.
The soup is too old to eat.
The soup is too old to eat.
Contaminated.
Contaminated.
The water is contaminated.
The water is contaminated.
Inedible.
Inedible.
This food is inedible.
This food is inedible.
Foul.
Foul.
The eggs have a foul smell.
The eggs have a foul smell.
Musty.
Musty.
The rice smells musty.
The rice smells musty.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
The sandwich looks disgusting.
The sandwich looks disgusting.
Spoilage.
Spoilage.
Spoilage happens in hot weather.
Spoilage happens in hot weather.
Bacteria.
Bacteria.
Bacteria grow on spoiled food.
Bacteria grow on spoiled food.
Germs.
Germs.
Germs can make you sick.
Germs can make you sick.
Freezer burn.
Freezer burn.
The chicken has freezer burn.
The chicken has freezer burn.
Overripe.
Overripe.
The banana is overripe.
The banana is overripe.
Fermented.
Fermented.
The juice has fermented.
The juice has fermented.
Spoil.
Spoil.
Heat can spoil food.
Heat can spoil food.
Unsafe.
Unsafe.
This food is unsafe to eat.
This food is unsafe to eat.
Thrown away.
Thrown away.
I threw the milk away.
I threw the milk away.
Smell test.
Smell test.
Do the smell test first.
Do the smell test first.
Mold.
Mold.
Mold is growing on the cheese.
Mold is growing on the cheese.
Food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
Spoiled food can cause food poisoning.
Spoiled food can cause food poisoning.
Expiration date.
Expiration date.
Check the expiration date.
Check the expiration date.
Leftovers.
Leftovers.
Don't keep leftovers too long.
Don't keep leftovers too long.